channel if you're new and welcome back if you're not. Here's part 2 of our Thailand trip. Don't forget to watch part 1 if you haven't seen it yet. Enjoy watching!
Philippines! Oh. Kumuha ka ng isang stick dyan sa may almusal na tayo.
Kuha ka na sis!
Kuha ka na sa isang stick dyan.
Yun na lang ang pagkaklep. Iwan mo yan sis. Hindi yan maganda.
Sorry. Para tayo nasa Bali, ang atake natin. We are now buying our tickets going to where vlogger friend? Keha Station. So, we are now here at Payathay. I think doon na lang tayo magbayad.
Pwede ba?
Oo. Ayan o, single journey card. Okay.
Dapat bibilisan. So, Keha tayo. Keha. Hello. Yes. Parang gusto ko magpa-assist. Beep beep. Which number na to? Nagutom ang mga gay. Kain muna kami. No.
Sis, where are we now? Here. What? This one. This one. 11. Oh. Okay. Lagi na sa pang-Muslim
Pavilion of the Enlightened. Planning our itinerary. Sobrang laki kasi ng ancient city. Tara guys. Pwede kayong maganyan.
Everyone, so we're here at the ancient city. We rented a golf cart and we are headed to the farthest place para pabalik na lang kami, right?
Yeah, right.
Our Lady Thai Ladyboy driver.
Yeah.
Say hi. 100 baht.
Yeah.
No.
Krong Thai.
No.
Ang ganda, ate, ang ganda.
Damo. Nagdadamo sila mga sis.
NSTP nila to.
Bye-bye.
Magbangga tayo ng tramech. Wala, mali tayo. Sabihin ng trambak. Sorry, right hand drive kami.
Ayaw nga pala, shit.
Okay, so guys, ang technique dito pala.
Google Maps na lang kayo.
Ang gagawin nyo, pag pupunta kayo dito, mag-Google Maps kayo kasi sobrang hirap nung mag-navigate ng mapa.
Google Maps.
So, ito na kami. My gosh! Ay, ito na yun!
Hubi!
Grabe!
The next! America's Next Top Model!
Yes!
Dito ko sa may lilim. Siya naman ang driver. Pwede ka.
Leave to get behind coffee shop.
Behind coffee shop. Okay, thank you.
Pagod, energy, 50% na lang ako.
50 pa yan ah.
50 pa to.
Wow! Worth it naman pala ang 120 baht. So cutie pie. Look at that. Freshly sliced
Ang
mango.
120 ba?
Ganon. Kabangka. Masarap pa rin ng mangga ng Pilipinas.
Di ba? Kahit manggang palengke.
Philippines number 1.
Eme lang to.
Eme lang.
Nagmanggamanggahan lang sila.
Hindi
Sa
masarap.
di-
Naka-artificial. Tikman natin yung kay Charlie XC.
Carry lang yan.
Oo nga.
Diba had better?
Masungit din yung tindera sa labas.
Masungit din yung tindera sa labas.
Sinundan ka pa ng tingin eh.
Sino siya?
Sinundan si Alin ng tingin ng pagpasok natin.
Kaya hanggang tingin na lang siya. She will never be me and I will never be her. Because she's a woman and I'm a man.
Ang daming nasabi.
Pero...
Thank you. Big elephant. 3-headed elephant. Diyan naman yung shoes. We're back! Nakailang balik na kami dito ah. Mga shopaholic. Mga salbahe.
Pare-pareho kayo. Kaya naging magkakaibigan eh. Pare-pareho na ugali eh.
Ano yun?
I think so. Okay lang yan. Dito na tayo. Magharap na tayo ng makakainan.
Pag nagkakamali siya, o di ba tayo?
Sarap. Sarap? Ano?
So we're walking now at what you call Skywalk. This is the, what do you call this in the Philippines?
The connection between
Two lovers. Glorieta and Greenbelt. So this is it. We're going now to Platinum from Central World.
Yes.
So come with us. Come spend many
money
baht with us.
Goodbye.
So
See you
we're
later.
going now. See you later. Bye guys.
Kiddie meal? Akala ko ba te? No to younger.
Do you want to go to the Philippines?
Say hi.
Hi.
Pagod na kami maglakad guys. Sakay na pa rin namin.
It's my new lover.
Ay.
Parang gusto ko magpa-picture sa kanya. Wow. Nakahanap ng tuk-tuk driver.
Akala ko ba older?
Okay na pala ako sa 20, pero na yan. O, di ba tumitingin siya sa akin?
So we just got back from 7-Eleven. And we're gonna do a haul. Haul? Ay, may chili sauce. This one. Lahat kami ganun ang order. Tapos bumili kami ni Sean ng extra ulam. Egg, KitKat. At gagawin ko ulit yung drink. Pero
pero
switch naman na brand. Same lang. Di pa rin masarap. Ang tabang!
Hak-hak ang sinasabi niyan siya.
Puro kayo kalokohan sa TikTok. Ano pinagkaunta? Thank you, Lord. Harap naman, kasi mas masarap yung sa kanila. Parang fantastic hotdog. day 4. Punta kami ng Pattaya today and it's currently 4:37 kasi hindi namin magpunta ng maaga sa bus station. Sunday church outfit.
Yes, kasi bawal mag-shorts. Morning everyone. Bye. See you in Pattaya. Mwah!
Waiting for our Bolt. Konti na lang. Ayan na si Kuya. I see the light of a car. Yan na siya! This is our tickets. 131 baht per person. This is the North Pattaya bus terminal. We're just waiting for our Bolt. This is the pool area. Ganda. Tapos may ano pa siya. May tambay tonight.
Pwede tayo dito mag-dinner or mag-drinks.
Yeah. Grabe, ang fast-paced ng mga tao dito. My horsey may bite. Hello.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, may tour tayo ng 9:40. The map. Hey! Beauty pie. Thank you. Mga bading, magiging engineer.
Are you ready?
Yes!
So let us move to the workshop. This way, please. One, you step, please. This way. Come this way, please. And these sculptures, you can see here, these sculptures, they will be installed inside or outside the museum. You might see some nails. These nails is temporary. We use different kind of hardwood. Rosewood, like ironwood. So here is a shingle roof, and this is a covering for the rainwaters. On the wedge, we join them together. Columns, we use male and female technique, base of the columns and balconies, dovetail technique. Next one is, you can see, very beautiful carving. It's like a flower. It's a long dovetail. For the floor, we use lap joint. For example, this is a sculpture, and this is the wall how we join them together. We demonstrate to you how we build this project. Some rules and regulations. No food, no drinks, no drones, and no sexy pictures. Who we are, where they come from, how to survive, what's the purpose of life. All these questions, answers waiting for you to explore in Sanctuary of Trees Museum.
Wow!
No one can escape the death. No one. Prophet, teachers, even Buddha himself. But what he left his philosophy to follow. If you see outside of this pagoda, there are a lot of sculptures, a lot of figures outside. How about inside? Do we see anything inside? Any sculptures? You see? Empty. When we born, we don't have anything. When we pass away, we also don't have anything. But what we can live? We can live good things or bad things. Let me ask you, maybe some of you can share. What is the purpose of your life? My purpose is complete this tour.
Recitation.
How about you, sir? Can you share with us what is the purpose of your life? Share with us.
To love.
To be happy. To be happy.
To to be happy. Thank you. No one can tell you what is the purpose of your life, but through the stories of self-development, if we associate with bad people, what will happen?
Mean people.
One bad person influence on another one, now two of them bullying another person. Or we associate with
The story of us.
people who don't offend others but respect others. You can see this young generation, they present some flowers. Like
Hindi talaga natin religion to, sis.
next one,
Parang sumasakit ang ulo ko. Parang hindi tayo ito. We don't follow the philosophy of Buddha.
all the outer columns represent negative society. All the inner columns represent positive society. The sculptures which you see downstairs represent not only biological parents, but people who take care of us like a family. And they come for kids. For kids, it represents parents teach us how to sit, how to stand, how to walk, how to run. And now what I'm going to do, I will give you the message of the founders.
you.
And we witness in so different ways. France, merci beaucoup, au revoir, merci beaucoup.
Philippines.
Mabuhay, salamat po. Salamat po, mabuhay.
Picture na kami kasi tapos na yung tour. Thank you. May mini farm, may mga ducks, oh. Ganda naman here. Parang kamukha niya nasa Taiwan. Ganda here, guys. Mini zoo. Look.
May mga halo-halo yung pagong din.
Hello, ang cute! Hi! May... Wala siyang pake. Hello! Can we sit there on the floor?
Yung manok ni Bratman na, yung may buko.
Saan? Ayaw nga, ayun o.
26. Okay. Thank you! Table 26. Ayaw nga! Hala, may bunny! Okay, nag-enjoy ang mga bading. Ang ganda naman here.
Kay mo din.
Hala! Walang buhok na ano, guinea pig. Let's go to table 26. May mga ducks there. Ganda here pa. At may pa dinosaur bee. Pa-dinosaur. Ganda! Ang ganda here, guys. My goodness. Ito yung tipong bibisitahin nyo ng pamilya nyo. Tapos may mga karaoke, oh. Karaoke rooms. Okay, thank you. Daming picturesque spots. Look at that. So many coins. Ganda, guys. My goodness. Thank you. Nice naman. This is our table, guys. Ang ganda, guys. Sobrang ganda. The menu. Pause and read. Sira siya tea. Tsaka mura lang for the place, ah. Ito, stir-fried rice.
May milk tin.
May biling order.
Okay.
And then this. Coffee.
Nako. Dahil nagpapa-fish feed din sila. Hello, alam kong gusto niyong pagkain. Tignan mo sis, na-attract sila sa akin, sis.
Oo, sis. Pag ayan, gumagan bigla at kinuha ang ano mo.
Ayan, na-attract sila eh.
Dala ko ng bibig nila.
Sis, parang ano mo,
Bibig.
bibig mo. Say hi to the vlog. Wala na wala sila. Friends, romance special.
Basta pansin nyo sa dito sa Thailand, lahat ng establishment, parang ang lilinis ng mga CR nila.
Nakikita nila. Wala, ang dami na nila, te.
Hello!
Wala.
Wala, ang dami. Kasi akala nila may binibigay kang something.
Wala eh. Walang fish feeding eh, guys. I'm so sorry.
Nakaka-attract pa rin pala talaga pag ano, no?
At least we know they're not blind.
Oo.
Galing! Na nakakatakot.
Saan sila galing, sis?
Hindi ko alam!
Biglang nagsilabasan dito.
Paano kaya tawagin ng mga bibe? Te, tataas sila, te. Ayun na. Yung pala na. Daan na sila. Hello!
Mag-add pa tayo?
Oo.
Ang hotel ninyo. Hotel de Luna. Ano nga yung akin, sis?
Ayan.
Lasang lutang bahay yung itlog.
Pero yung pork din.
Sarap. Kung nasa Pinas lang ako.
air-conditioned ang toilet nila, guys. So nice, oh. The toilet. Very nice.
Gusto mo sis bok ka muna.
Sa kumpo ka dito.
May pa-miss. Ay, tignan mo yung mga bibis. Tatwa ba yun? O bibi talaga?
Bibe,
Ay,
nagpapamiss sila ng ay, ang bastos ko sa vlog.
oo. Ito po
Open,
yun.
open.
So, yung mga birds. Chicken.
Ay, mga manok ni Bretman, bakla, picturean mo nga. Ay,
Nakawala yung isa. Dami rin showables on a weekday. Money Charmander. Nandahil sa 9, 10, 11, 12. There's a ticket. Ganda.
Beautiful garden sightseeing bus.
Thank you.
Sightseeing bus.
Sightseeing bus that way daw. Oh, yung cute. Okay, over there. And a lot of cars. Parang siyang ano, no? Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yan, te. Gusto ko yan.
Sa kanluran, ganyan tayo.
Hala, ang saya. Ang ganda naman ito. Bet ko to.
Diba sis?
Or ganito tayo, sis. Kasya tayong tatlo dyan. Ay, ang cute. Very pink. Pwede kang ma-feed. Ayun o, banana. Ibat. Bumili siyang
Bumili ako ng
isang piling. Oh, yung cute. Tumaakbay sila. Kaso I'm scared.
tayo, parang tayo lang nandito.
Ayan, nagutom na sila, kawawa naman. Hindi mo babalatan. Ayoko din. Thesis tayo din. Ang cute. Ayan na, sis.
Hindi, pag lumapit ka na, ayan yan.
Ang galing. Yung isa din, sis. Hating kapatid. Hating
Sis, lumapit
kapatid.
ka. Hindi ka natatakot eh.
More ka pa.
Ayoko.
Wala, I'm scared.
Hindi yan. Sige na, ilagay mo lang saan. Lumapit ka, sis, ang pangit sa picture. Lapit. Mamaya, lumapit ka muna. Ay! Ayan, picture tayo. Oh, baka tayo
May natatakot ako.
Picture daw.
Bakit naman sumasakay ng elephant, guys? Kawawa naman. Pakainin nyo na lang sila. May task siya. It's a real one, guys. Sobrang kinis ng task. Hello, pwede kaya siyang pakainin? Ito, may saging. Wow, may area to rest. And the dinos. Hala, ang cute. Sobra. Naka-crochet pa sila. Ang cute, oh. Mauubos ang 50 baht.
Yung lalaki.
Cute. Ang next station. Pagod na ang mga tita. Titang gay.
Taro.
But sobrang init. Nakakatamad na lumabas at mag-picture-picture. This is like a convenience store. Not really. This is a souvenir store. Same bed set up. And then the view. This is the view. And then the CR. Restroom. Pwede na. May slippers here. Pagod na ang mga gay. Bakit ganun? Iba yung amoy ng dagat nila. Para siyang ship. Oo, para siyang ship. We are in the biggest 7-Eleven in the world. Ito ba sis? Lagyan mo yung cart. Mag-cart tayo.
Ako, marami-rami ang aking bibili.
Why?
Mag-iinom ang kes-kes kaya yung bag kasi olats tayo sa ano. Malalaki.
Wala ka niya guys. Look. And then may dine-in sa taas.
Guys, ang laki pala.
Hala, may dessert sila sis. I'm so excited. Ano masasabi mo 7-Eleven?
Maganda siya pero walang alak. Kaya bibili ako ng alak na.
Hindi siya pala ganun kadaming variety. Malaki lang siya in terms of size. Kita ka talaga. Kita ko talaga doon.
Tara na, kumain na tayo.
Ang ganda guys. We're gonna go swim. I hope it's not cold. Wow, workout. Night workout. I wanna try din. Kaso biglang ano no, super...
Saglit lang yung start mo lang. Ayan, i-claim na siya. So, tuloy ng forma.
Correct. Ang mga bagong kain, nag-treadmill. At least may view. Say hi.
Hi guys!
Nice
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Merry Christmas! Kain muna kami. Malaki. Bili silang skincare. Ako nakabili na ako. Mamaya babalik sila. Wala na akong pera. O sige, sendan mo ako. Wala na akong pera.
Kami din tita, sendan mo kami. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Kapkong ka.
Paaral na tayo. Thank you
Let's
guys.
go.
Thank you, Rumi.
Thank you, Glow Pattaya. Ayan, agad. Nandito na siya.
Figure out ko na, minsan nag-aral sila kahit wala pa naman.
May free welcome drink din sila doon. Pero hindi na namin tinry. May mga baon pa kasi kaming drinks. We're just waiting for our boat. Na weirdly enough, nandito na agad siya. As in, pagkabook ko kanina. Kaso, we're looking outside. Wala naman. Ang street.
I'm sorry. Mali pala. Mali pala. Ito magdadrive serious.
Ka-Arbutin girlies.
Hi guys! And then we add one.
Bilis ha.
Ano ng kakafry?
Corrected by...
Condiments.
Oo, kasi minsan lang tayo nandito.
Harap yung sabaw? Harap. Pwede na.
Wow.
Harap naman lambot.
Kamayin na natin kasi...
Harap. Harap yung waters. Ako ka. Let's go! Grabe ba? Sa Bangkok pa kami masasagasaan.
53.33. 315 ibibigay ko sa'yo. Diba?
Asan ang 15 te?
Bigyan mo ako 5 piso.
Baka may marinig ka pang panunod ba?
Sa last day po sila nagsumbatan.
Pero ang ganda ng quality.
Oo, maganda te. Buy mo na. Ayun daw, hindi daw mahal.
Diba nag-shopping ako dito ng Louis Vuitton? Ang ganda nito, ang ganda ng quality nila. Parang original. Kasi bibili ka ng original. Alam mo ang ganda ng quality. Ganito din ang original ng Louis Vuitton. Kasi bibili ka 60,000 na ganyan, hello. Yung mga bag, syempre, halata talagang Japek. Pero eto, tignan niyo yung quality, pati yung Ami.
Damage done sa everything 20 baht. Everything
Dami.
20 baht. Everything 20 baht.
Oh, pang Christmas na to ha.
Correct. Look. As mga mukhang pera. We also bought one for Jessa. Thank you.
Ano nakatulog? 30,000 tong gastos ko ngayon.
Ako more than.
Kasama yung
Nasa 40
kaskas
na
sa
ako. Oh, hindi pa kasama yung mga kaskas. Mahal dito. Lakas makabudol. Cheesecake Factory muna kas. So cute! It's Halloween season, you guys.
Sour. I love it.
Harap. Parang gusto ko makuha sa Pilipinas. Kay John, may ligas cheesecake yun eh. Harap. Look. Meringue. Ang ganda ng takeaway nila, guys. Look.
Hi guys.
Oh, andito yung cakes. May pa-sound effects ng birds. Uwi na. We're going home. Ang mga OFW.
But the activities are not yet done. So magkikita-kita pa kami in few days.
Yes.
In 28.
In 28.
True. Actually, that's why I bought it. Dahil lang dun. Bye, Acela. Dito mura yung mango sticky rice nila. 150 baht lang. And then pag bumili ka ng tatlo, may discount. So may free flavors yung rice. Looks really good. Hopefully it is good. Norwich.
No, I'm so rich also. Charing!
The goods.
For madam.
Thai milk tea for the last time. One number 7.
Going home.
Home. Finally,
Going
magkakatabi
back
na
to the
kami.
Philippines.
And that sums up our Bangkok vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as we enjoyed our trip. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next vlog. Bye!